How to set your line status public on Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to set your line status on Likee app public, easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee app. Once you are there, click on those three lines up there and you're gonna find setting. And now all you need to do is click on privacy, which is the second choice, and scroll down. You're gonna find the last option, which is allow to set my line status public. So after close, nobody can know your line status outside the live room. You can turn on or off this option wherever you are comfortable with. If you want to set your line status public, turn on this option. If you close this option, nobody can know your line status. Easy and quick. Don't forget to subscribe and like if this video was helpful to you.